What can I say? I'm a sucker for the City series. Hi kids, so we are back for 2019 City series release. BERN. Let's take a look. First thing to say, nice little art card in the box. Always a nice addition. Now these were individually wrapped, so I have cheated. I've been inside and taken them apart to show you. First impressions, these are much better than the 2014 iteration that we were given. On par with the Brussels, maybe better. I would say the actual suede on these is really good. Let's just look at that. Really, you know, a nice luxurious feel. The rub test. I mean, they are a City series shoe, so you know, much to be expected as always. You do have this branding on the insole, City Series 2019. You've got the inline motif, the BERN gold foil print. In the 2014 you had the box logo. You know, it fits and starts really, whatever you prefer. So on the other shoe, we will see here, we do have a colour sample warning and the contrast lace swap, which is always good to see, let's be honest. We'll do a toe to tongue. Got a nice dimpled and perforated tongue on these. Just kick over to the insole. There is your heel tab. We'll whiz underneath. A very standard affair. So, my opinion on these, not remarkable, but they're a nice release. They're a good City series release. So you know, bit of what everyone wants really. City series is in many ways an unremarkable but highly anticipated shoe, and I think they've got it right this time. So you know, it's a thumbs up from me on this release really. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it is what it says on the tin. Nice release. Yeah, I'll whack these on foot now. I mean, you can see the pile there. That it's really nice actually. It's a really nice colour as well. I'll keep going back to that, but yeah, they're a good release. Let's get these on foot now and take a look. Right, I think they're going to be on par with the Brussels, as in they might size up slightly big. I have tried a pair of these on before in the store. I'm a size 9. Size 9 were absolutely fine with me. So you know, I don't know. So you know, try before you buy. Cheers, kids. Catch you next time.